Town of T&E, Elstone, 45 kilometres north of Wentworth. 76 cows and calves, predominantly younger cattle, with Shorthorn and Angus calves at foot, from a few weeks old up to 4 or 5 months of age. They're redepastured to Angus and Shorthorn bulls. And the cattle are freshened up pretty well. We've been running on sorghum for 6 weeks now. So they're milking pretty well and doing a good job of the calves. Predominantly Shorthorn based cows. Just a little touch of Boss in the odd one, a bit of Santa, and the odd Angus cow. Doing a pretty good job. Pretty realistic reserve set. So genuine sale.